Is presently underway in 91 Lok Sabha seats and in 18 states along with 2 union territories, marking the beginning of the mega 7-phase electoral exercise. And you have some big heavyweights including union ministers Nitin Gadkari, Kiran Rijiju, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, YSR Congress Chief Jagan Mohan Reddy and TRS Chief's daughter K. Kavita, along with AIMIM Chief Asaduddin Owaisi, who were among the earlier ones to have cast their votes. The Prime Minister had appealed to voters to vote in record numbers and also participate in the biggest festival of democracy. Well, Congress President Rahul Gandhi, however, hit out at the government while he was making an appeal to the voters. He also put out a tweet asking voters to vote for change while highlighting the failures of the Modi government. Now, there are a total of 14.21 crore voters and 1,279 candidates in the fray in phase 1. And also, very importantly, simultaneous assembly elections are also being held in a few states, including Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal, Sikkim and Odisha.
और एकात्मता के लिए करना चाहिए, ये अपना चुनाव कमीशन भी कहता है।
मैं 101% आश्वस्त हूँ कि पिछले बार जो मार्जिन मुझे मिली थी उससे लाख-1.5 लाख ज़्यादा ही मिलेगी। और इसका सबसे बड़ा कारण है कि 5 साल में मैंने जो काम किया है वो काम, विकास का काम जो है उसके लिए आम जनता ने अप्रिशिएट किया। और पहली बार लोग जात, पंथ, धर्म, भाषा और पार्टी से ऊपर उठकर मुझे सहयोग कर रहे हैं। इसकी मुझे बहुत खुशी है, मैं उनका बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ।
You would talk of a two-front war. In this political spectrum, you have two opponents here, the Mahagathbandhan and the Congress. So is this a two-front political war that you're fighting?
There are no wars. They only contest. And the contest is between parties on their the way they think, the way they work, and the way they look after people. And in that respect, I think Bharatiya Janata Party scores very high.
But the Mahagathbandhan changed their candidate. Does the caste combination of the BSP, RLD, SP candidate and the Congress then fielding a candidate, Dolly Sharma and Suresh Bansal, is that a formidable challenge, the caste combination?
See, that is their calculation. To look after, okay, I think Suresh Bansal is from Vaishya community, so he will garner more votes. I don't think so. People look at what will be beneficial for them. People will look at how their surroundings will improve. And people will look at what has been the changing face of Ghaziabad. That is what will dominate. Caste equations and all do not.
So in this constituency, because so while this is an urban constituency to an extent, it's also a rural constituency. And again, so your voters will be both. They'll be the aspirational India and those who, some of them who may say that, you're from Haryana originally and you're an outsider here.
I'm an Indian.
You're an Indian.
I'm from India and I don't believe that I should be tagged to any state.
No, I'm feeling very proud. I have done my duty. Vote is a fundamental right. I have to vote. So I exercise my voting.
And you have come with the family and also large number of people that are greeting you here. Is this giving you positive vibes?
No, you are going to see. I don't want to comment here.
Sir, and what is the election fight? What is the elections that Andhra Pradesh is fighting on? Development or what, sir?
Not now. I don't want to answer.
Okay, sir. Good luck, sir.
Any controversy, I don't want to create.
Please show your finger, sir. Please show your finger, sir.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Finally, almost after an hour, you've been able to poll your vote. How do you feel, sir? How do you feel, sir, after casting the vote? There has been a 1 hour delay.
Well, at least it's happened.
Finally, it has happened. You just heard Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy saying that, finally it's happened. Almost an hour later from the polling starting is when Jagan has voted. He's even showed his finger where the mark of the vote has been casted, has been put on his finger.
Ma'am, this is your second election.
That's right.
What happened the past 5 years? How was the experience and what do you think is going to be the outcome this time around?
Well, I believe last 5 years, because people have seen me work
struggle for various issues at the central government level and also at the state government level, whatever best possible for my constituency. I tried to get it to my constituency. People have noticed my efforts. I believe they will vote in favor of me this time around again.
But this time around, Nizamabad had this unique distinction of having 185 candidates, and out of these 185, 178 odd were farmers saying that they did not get adequate price for turmeric and red jawar. So do you think that is going to impact?
Not really. The farmers plus myself, all of us are together fighting on the central government. So farmers casting the nominations or farmers filing the nominations is a form of protest to let the central government know that this issue is there and it needs to be addressed. But it won't in any way, I believe, affect me. People have seen my work, farmers have seen my work, farmers have seen how our government TRS functions. So farmers also will vote in favor of me.
कहीं पर भी देश में मोदी लहर नहीं है। 2014 में यकीनन थी, मैं इसका इकरार करता हूँ, मगर अब हरगिज़ नहीं है। ये इलेक्शन बड़ा ओपन इलेक्शन है और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि हिंदुस्तान की आवाम देश के अहम मुद्दों के ऊपर, ना कि जज्बाती मुद्दों के ऊपर जो मोदी लेकर लाना चाहते हैं, उस पर नहीं होगा।
लेकर निकला हूँ अभी माता मक्कल के चरणों में प्रार्थना की है, जो मेरे चंद्रपुर की कुलदेवत है। यहाँ पर हम श्रद्धा के साथ में आएंगे और ये श्रद्धा के साथ में मैं कहता हूँ कि माता महाकाली पुनः हमें जिताएगी। देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी बने, ये जनता की आवाज़ है और यही आशीर्वाद देने में आया था।
डॉक्टर महेश शर्मा अपना वोट डाल चुके हैं। हम इनसे बात करते हैं कि डॉक्टर साहब, आपने अपना वोट डाला है, ये ऐसा संवैधानिक अधिकार है जो अधिकार भी है और साथ साथ कर्तव्य भी है। यानी एक ऐसी चीज़ संविधान में, इकलौती ऐसी चीज़ है जो संविधान में अधिकार भी है और कर्तव्य भी है।
हमारा ये धर्म है, हमारा फर्ज है कि लोकतंत्र के इस यज्ञ में हम अपनी आहुति डालें और मैं समझता हूँ राष्ट्र निर्माण का जो संकल्प है, उस संकल्प को पूरा करें।
डॉक्टर साहब, एक और बड़ा मुद्दा ये है कि इस इलाके के ऊपर ये कदम था कि यहाँ वोट परसेंट बहुत कम होता था। इस बार कितनी उम्मीद लग रही है?
इस बार इतिहास लिखा जाने वाला है।
I have a very confident Chirag Paswan with me. He is seeking re-election from Jamui for the second time. Chirag, how confident are you for this time for a victory? Because last time you were a debutant, and how confident are you this time?
Very confident, and the confidence comes from the fact that I have actually worked in the past 5 years in my constituency. I have been around the people of my constituency. So yes, I'm in A on the basis of my work. B, of course, yes, one of the biggest factors that our today's Prime Minister Adani Narendra Modi ji's name in itself, it is such a big factor. And then most importantly, which was not there with us in 2014, is Nitish Kumar ji. Janata Dal United coming into our alliance has made us our alliance even stronger. So all these factors give me the confidence that the victory will be bigger than what it was in 2014.
Voting was going on in Jamui Lok Sabha. What are the feedback? What kind of feedback are you getting?
Well, whatever feedback that I'm getting since 7 in the morning, I was sitting in the control room only from where we are monitoring the whole situation. I mean, very, very, very positive. And trust me when I say this, I'm not saying it just for the heck of saying it. I mean, I'll be doing wrong to myself if I keep myself in this kind of a myth that everything is going well and if it's not going well actually. So yes, I mean, I'm very, very confident. The feedback that I'm getting from all you also is very positive and confident that the win will be easy.
जैसे कुंभ हमारा धार्मिक महापर्व है, ऐसे लोकतंत्र का महापर्व है ये मतदान का पवित्र दिन, और सब मिलकर के घरों से बाहर निकले। और हम भारतीयों के लिए तो सबसे बड़ा प्रमाण वेद है। वेद में यजुर्वेद का पहला मंत्र है, माँ वस्तेन ईशता, हम पर बुरे लोगों का शासन नहीं होना चाहिए। जिनका हाथ देश सुरक्षित, जिनकी नीतियाँ, नियत, नेतृत्व, चरित्र पवित्र है, जिनका कुछ बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन है देश को बनाने में और जिनका ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड अच्छा है, उन्हीं को वोट करें।
All right, so today is the day when officially the 2019 elections kicks off, and so far polling has been going on smoothly from across the country with